Hey, this is Math Minutes Pro with Dr. Harrison. Today we're going to talk about how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So let's first start off by talking about what a prism is. A prism is a three-dimensional figure, right? And it has two bases that are the same shape. So if you look at these two bases right here, they both are rectangles. So when we have a 3D figure and we have two bases, we say it's a prism. When the bases are the shape of a rectangle, we call this prism a rectangular prism, right? So the name of the prism depends on the shape of the base, the two bases, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. Now, there are formulas that you can use to find, a formula you can use to find the surface area of a rectangular prism, but I'm going to use a different approach. I'm going to use an approach where we basically calculate the area of each rectangle. And when we say the surface area, we're talking about the area of each of the faces in this rectangular prism. So let's go ahead and start with this. We will say the surface area, right? I'm going to use a plan, is equal to, now I'm going to say 4 rectangles. Okay, I'm talking about the 6x3 rectangle. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all 6x3. So we're going to say 4 times the rectangles that are 6x3. Right? And then we're going to add to that these two top. Right? We can call them, we can refer to these two top there's a top portion of this prism and the bottom, and they both are 6x6. So that's going to be 2 times a rectangle that is a 6x6. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start substituting. So we have 4 times 6 times 3 plus, all right? Where we have 4 rectangulars who both have the dimensions 6x3. Plus, we have 2 rectangles in this figure that have the dimensions 6x6. Okay? So 4 times 6x3, we end up with 4 times 18, plus we have a 2 times 6 times 6, which gives us 36. Okay, now we're just dealing with a multiplication and addition. So 4 times 18 gives us 72, plus 2 times 36 gives us 72 as well. Therefore, I'm going to put 3 dots. The surface area, I'm looking kind of funny, so let me I don't want that to look like multiplied. So surface area is equal to 144. But don't forget, if it's area, it's going to be meters times meters, which is meters squared. And that is how you find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my Patreon page on my video description below. On my Patreon page, you can get access to exclusive math lessons, study tips, live Q&A, and more. See you next time.